Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome bra, bulge, and back workout, all right? Summer is coming. Let's work on feeling confident in those dresses, all right? First exercise is we have a overhead side reach. 30 seconds on the clock. I want you to stand a little bit wider, arms out to the side, 90-degree angles, and we're gonna reach over our head and come back to those 90 degrees. No, that 90-degree angle, all right? No kind of floppy arms, no going like this. All right, boom, structure. Tighten those muscles, move with intention. Very good. Reach, 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 reach over, coming back, and then the other way. Don't rush, all right? Faster and more doesn't always mean better, all right? Quality over quantity. So making sure that you're moving with intention, you have good form, all right? Your stomach is tucked in, your butt is tucked, all right? Your rib cage is closed, shoulders pressed down, very good. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have a reverse fly to row. So we're gonna do a little bend over, all right? A little bend in the knees, flat back, arms down, reverse fly, coming down, and then row, keeping those elbows nice and tight to your body. So open and then up. All right, very good. All right, nice tucked in core, don't let it hang out, boom. In, good posture. Squeezing here, squeezing your back, squeezing those elbows close to your body, all right? And then when you come up here, squeezing your shoulder blades and your back, all right? You're gonna feel it. Seems like a simple movement, but when you engage the right muscles, it does wonders. All right, and 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have swimming. Now, I'm gonna give you 2 variations for this. The full movement is on the floor. I'm gonna give you the standing one first, all right? So if you cannot get on the floor, then go ahead and just do the arms. So swimming arms, all right? Just going back and forth, all right? Making sure you're not opening up your rib cage when you're swinging those arms back, all right? Nice and tucked in, all right? A little bit forward if you have to, like so, all right? If you're doing the full exercise, all right, we're gonna come on the floor. All right, you're gonna lift your arms and your feet, and you're going to do these at the same time. So like you're swimming, all right, staying up the entire time, all right, don't force your chin up, all right, just look forward or look down. Very good, and you can rest. You could do a few seconds on, rest, and then a few seconds off, you know? Just make sure you're challenging yourself, or you can just do your arms. Rest those legs, just put your arms up and go. Or you can just hold them like Superman. Instead of swimming, you can do Superman. And just holding yourself up like that is working your back, all right? And 3, 2, 1, and coming back. Very good. That's our swimming exercise. I gave it to you standing and on the floor. Last but not least, we're doing a plank. Don't run away. I'm also gonna give you a modification for that. If you cannot get on the floor, go ahead and find a wall or a countertop, all right? What you're gonna do is gonna hold on to that countertop, take a few steps backwards, all right, till you're nice and straight. And there you have it. There's your countertop plank hold. A great place to start to get you down on the floor one day, all right? To build up your strength and confidence in that plank. If not, down to the floor, all right? In plank position, hands are right beneath your shoulders, all right? And you have a nice straight back. You're not arching like this, really bad for your spine. Go ahead, tuck it in, straight back. Wider stance, the wider your feet, the easier it is to balance. All right, look down between your hands, tuck in that tummy, tuck in that butt. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, gently lower the knees. Great job. We're not done yet. 2 more to go. Let's get right into that second set. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Slight bend over, reverse fly to row. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 release, very good. Swimming, either down on the floor or standing up, 30 seconds. You got this. All right, start down and then extend and go. And 3, 2, 1, gently down. Very good. Plank to the floor, to the wall, to the counter. Big breath. All right, start hands and knees. Extend the legs. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, gently coming down. Whew, and celebrate 2 sets. Done, dusted, 1 more to go, don't run away. Big breath. Very good, recentered. Let's crush this 3rd set. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Slight bend over, reverse fly to row. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 release, very good. Swimming, either down on the floor or standing up, 30 seconds. You got this. All right, start down and then extend and go. In 3, 2, 1, gently down. Very good. Plank to the floor, to the wall, to the counter. Big breath. All right, start hands and knees. Extend the legs. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, gently coming down. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Bra bulge, back, check. We got it all. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, which exercise was your favorite, what videos, workouts you would like to see more of. Where are you tuning in from? We have people from all over the world, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.